How to add and use database connection. Navigate under the Project Explorer to the point Connections. Hit the plus button a window Create or Edit Connection will open. Enter a connection name. Enter your JDBC string. Hit the Add button. Your connection are created. Under the point Data Sources in the Project Explorer, you can now choose under Types Database, and you will see your connection under the database specific details. You could also, under the point Queries in the Project Explorer, hit the plus button, enter a name, and you can choose your database connection under the point Connection. Now you can write your SQL statement.